Welcome back and welcome to another algebra practice. I'm going to show you how to write a quadratic function that is in standard form into a vertex form. If you look at the standard form, ax plus bx plus c, and this is a vertex form, which means we need rewrite this one by using complete square. That's right, complete square. So we want to have something squared and then plus number here. Okay, all right. Then we're going to look at the first two terms, and we figure out what's missing is this. Negative 10 over 2 squared. That's what is missing. Negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 squared is positive 25. If you're not sure of this, please use the previous video and really get this down before you start to look at this, how to write a quadratic function in vertex form. And then you copy it down, add 22. Since you just add 25, if you don't do something else, you're going to change the value of this function. So you're going to subtract the 25. Then you're going to copy it down right here. And then you look at this 3. Your biology family is here. And then you write down, oh, wait a minute, I meant to write down negative. So I say negative 5. Okay? And then I combine like terms, minus 3. Well, it is a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. In this case, that is 5, negative 3. All right, there you have it. Happy learning.